Okay, I got to get a better video of this. Me and the wife is out here looking at this now. I just did a short on it. Bright, shiny object in the sky. It's going up and down, side to side. It's not a plane. It's not a helicopter. I'm not quite sure what it is. We're going to try to get out here and get a better video of it. A longer video here. I know. You got it, baby? Okay. Let me see. Oh, it's dropped in altitude. It has dropped in altitude. It was high. Now it's going to be hard for me to get a good video of it. You barely can see it. I'm going to try to zoom in with this. I don't know. There it is. That's better. Don't look at the lights at the bottom. But at the very top there, what you see is very bright. And it's not really moving. Slightly up and down. But it was higher in altitude. Now it's dropping in altitude. And I'm sorry, I can't hold my phone. No, we're still in this. It's cold. I have no jacket on. And I hate that that thing is dropped in altitude like that. But it has. See if you can tell me what it is, folks. Is that a drone? Is that a UFO? What is it? Is it one of those drones that's been sighted? Everybody's talking about? I'm curious to know what your thoughts are. It's kind of easing behind the trees. I think I've lost it just because it's dark and my phone camera isn't great. So yeah, there's a little glimpse of it. It was better on the short that I just did. If you find that, watch it. See if you can let me know. Oh, there it is. It's back. There it is. See how bright that joker is? Now that's a long ways from us. I'm talking a long ways from us. From where I'm videoing this thing. Long way. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think that is.